Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to talk about our PD HEPA 375 VSC mobile HEPA filtration unit. Again, filters down to 0.3 microns, true HEPA cylinder filtration unit. 2 clips to remove the top cover. Very simple application on it. You also have HEPA held in place by the rod, metal rod in here, okay? They want you to keep that in there as tight as possible to avoid any bypass of the filter. And I'm going to pull that rod out. It's a very simple process just by spinning it out, placing it out of the way. Again, this is your actual HEPA filter itself, true cylinder on it. Now we also have featured on this unit here is an inner and outer carbon blanket. Okay, very simple to put around. That's your outer blanket on the HEPA unit. We have an inner carbon blanket on the actual HEPA cylinder as well too. That'll be your inner and your outer carbon blankets as well, okay? Prolongs the life of the actual HEPA itself, okay? We're good for 2 to 3 years on this HEPA unit as well too. You can write the date on it of the installation, true HEPA certified. Once your HEPA filter is in place and it is mounted properly, you want to ensure there's guide pins on the inside as well. The rods get back into place. Very simple application. A little bit of putting in place there. Again, your unit's in completely, 100% sealed down. We have intake and intake on the sides, which is very simple. And your exhaust is right from the back here. Through the HEPA filtration unit, out through the back here. You got a variable speed motor on there, German motor, 5-year warranty on the motor, Canadian made product. No Asian manufacturing on here. Everything's 100% Canadian made here. Our factory is located in Vaughan, Ontario. We have a full supply and full stock on all of our air purification systems.